In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Turbotax. Whether you've switched to a new email provider or just want to update your contact information, this process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step with ease. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Turbotax official website. You can do this by typing turbotax.intuit.com into the search bar. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your email address and password to log in. If you can't remember your password, there's usually an option to reset it, which can be helpful if it's been a while since you last logged in. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax homepage. This is where you'll find various account options and settings. On this page, look for the Intuit account section. This section is crucial because it houses all your personal account details and it's where you'll manage your email settings. Once there, the next step is to click on the Intuit account option. This action will direct you to a new page that displays your account settings. Pay attention to this area as it contains important details about your account that you may want to verify or update. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to your account, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on changing your email address. Now, to update your email address, click on the Change Email option. This link should be noticeable on the page, often under the Personal Info or Contact Details section. Clicking it will bring up a form that allows you to input your new email address. Make sure you double check for any typing errors to ensure the information is entered correctly. After you've typed in your new email address, the system might ask you to confirm the change by entering your existing password. This step is an additional security measure to protect your account information. Once you've entered your password, confirm the change and your email address will be updated. You should receive a confirmation email at your new address shortly after. Check your inbox to verify that everything processed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address in TurboTax. This process not only helps keep your contact information current, but also ensures you receive important notifications from TurboTax. Keeping your personal information up to date is vital for account security and efficiency, so I recommend reviewing your account details occasionally. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, if you encounter any issues, TurboTax's support is a great resource for further assistance.